Hello. Hello,
Hey,
hello, hello.
We're getting the taste buds going on a Monday morning. Getting the taste buds going. Chef Christian Pritchard. Back
We
on
may
the
have
show.
had a nibble of something before, right, Tim?
Look at the spread you have. And when we tell chefs to come in, we're just like, make sure you bring stuff and fill up the table. We never have to tell you that because we know that you're going to.
You know what? Food, like at this point, I came in this morning and I was thinking, I was away on the weekend with the family. It was great. And I had some of the stuff at home, and I told you guys I'm going to bring in olive oil. But I'm like, what do I have in the fridge? Because I couldn't really shop when I got home at night. And I thought al fresco dinner. Al fresco is something people, it's not a name of a dude, but it could be a good name for a bed. Al fresco. It's outside dining.
Right.
And it's been a hot summer, and you know the planet's burning up on that negative level, and a lot of the stuff. Let's make use of outside and enjoy it.
Let's enjoy our food while the planet's burning.
I know. So a few things that I want to focus on that are fun is citrus, olive oil, and some great new products I have coming in from Sicily that no one's tried yet. You're the first in all of Canada.
When I remember the last time you were on,
Yeah.
we were talking about olive oil. And what do you say about olive oil? That we
You know
don't
what?
spend money on olive oil
Right,
or
well,
the
think
crappy
about
stuff.
it. You know what? You guys have fantastic people that come into Morning Live all the time, talk about fantastic wines, like this morning as well.
Yep.
Olive oil should be treated as a fantastic wine. People treat olive oil like, oh, it's all fake. Oh, it's all, trust me. When you see what we're doing today with it, you'll know why. And I'm not just talking like, hey, I love the Italian olive oil and Sicilian olive oil, but Greek olive oil is great, Spanish, Portuguese, Californian, North African. There's a lot of great stuff, but you need to pay for the good stuff.
Okay, what do you look for when you're picking out an olive oil? There's a certain couple things that you need to look
The
for.
price does say, by the price, it's going to be good.
Yeah.
Generally, you'll have your favorites. Now, you know, these are Cutretta from southern Sicily. I've been there during the harvest. So instead of talking about it, let's taste them in different ways and ways to use it. So from Sicily, I've got a beautiful wild fennel and tomatoes, a brand new product, and some seafood in a very plain spaghetti.
Right.
Just turn it together right out of the pot.
Are you throwing citrus in there?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I always finish. Anyone who knows my cooking, I always finish with lemon, lemon zest, and lemon juice, the real stuff. You know what I mean?
What's the green right in front of it?
Well,
there?
that's rapini.
Rapini.
Rapini's phenomenal, and you get that right out of the pot. Throw some great olive oil on it, some salt, some lemon. Boom. Al fresco dining.
What are those
right
steaks?
through. Oh, Delmonico steak.
Okay, you
go
got some
for
stuff
it.
here.
Tim, get in here. This is a Delmonico steak, and it's in between the rib. It's one of the most amazing cuts of meat.
Oh my goodness.
Salt and pepper, and then on here I've got a soy balsamic glaze.
Is that what this is?
No, we're going to get to that in a sec too. So, of course, our matter of all that great stuff. We've got, bread. Put it on the table instead of me making it.
This is the glaze here.
That's the glaze. Isn't that phenomenal?
Fantastic. Are you marinating that?
No.
You putting that on after?
Very hot heat, and if you're outside in the grill, with our buddy Ted Reeder would do that too.
Teddy.
I did it inside, but you finish with the soy, and it just kind of permeates the flavor. So halloumi, I just put it out there. You put it on your grill or inside. Do it. This is my version of a Sicilian gazpacho with yellow tomatoes and peppers and olive oil on top and lemon and a little bit of sherry wine vinegar. So here, it's right here, Tim. There you go.
You got there. Oh, sorry.
Let's go for that.
Goodness.
Now, let's get into the fun.
So what can we make? Because we only got 2 minutes. Under 2 minutes.
Okay, good. Well, here's what we'll do. Look at all the other stuff you can do. The figs, the watermelon, all this stuff out. Asparagus.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that stupid?
Fabulous.
Stupid good, right? Now, let's get some fun going here. This is brand new. This is not even available in Canada yet. It's coming. We're bringing it into Canada. This is really just a reduced red wine.
Really? Okay.
Try it. Put it on a little ice cream. Put it with your steak. Any of these things.
Dip?
On bread, on cheese. I know.
What is it called?
It's Nero d'Avallo. It's from southern Sicily, from our friends at Cutretta. Where
do you get that?
You can't get it in Canada yet, but I'm telling you, this fall,
you're teasing us, Pritchard.
I literally, it's on the boat on its way. It's on its way, and of course, you guys here in Hamilton. We've got all those amazing, wicked, Italian stores. It'll be there.
So where do we go? So we got a minute. We got a minute. What are we doing?
All right. Here's what we'll do this fast. This is a mind-changing operation. Very
just a vanilla ice cream?
Premium vanilla ice cream. Okay. Lemon zest.
Right.
Put some lemon juice on there, Tim.
Juice. Okay.
Sicilian salt. And everyone's like, oh, okay.
Are you having this? Is just yours?
Pardon?
Is that yours?
You can put some of the Nero d'Avallo on that too. Okay. Now, ready? Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen.
Right.
Tim's life is about to be changed right now.
30 seconds.
Olive oil, 30 seconds.
Which one?
There we go.
That one? Okay. Put that on there.
Watch this, folks.
Olive oil
top
on the
of-
ice cream?
Remember, olive
What?
oil is what?
Can I put this on there?
No,
that doesn't
Try
go
that
on there.
first.
Oh,
You can
don't.
do it on that one.
Okay, this one,
Olive
okay.
oil is what, folks? When it's right, I talked about at the beginning. Fruit. Tomatoes are fruit. Try this, Tim. Ready? Speaks for itself. Wow.
Okay.
Told you. Not just
You
a
might
crazy.
know what you're talking about.
Not
every
just a
now and
crazy
again.
Canadian
Christian
let out.
Pritchard. See?